Installation and startup industrial reverse osmosis system. Clack USA Duplex water softener. Whether it is a basic mechanical filter or an automatic one, sediment filtration is essential for pre-treating water. It ensures the optimal functioning of the entire water treatment system and is mandatory for maintaining the warranty of any downstream equipment. Mechanical filter. This can be of various types. With polypropylene cartridge, only polypropylene cartridges should be used, not mesh or string, and with a maximum filtration of 20 microns. With textile sleeves. With stainless steel mesh. All of these serve the function of removing sediment from the water to prevent clogging of the downstream systems in the treatment line. Automatic filter. This filter is designed to reduce human intervention, optimizing the efficiency and reliability of the filtration process. Its operation is controlled by a panel where you can set the desired number of days for regeneration. It will automatically clean itself and drain the accumulated sediments into the sewage. With low water and energy consumption and minimal manual input, it is both cost-effective and eco-friendly. Duplex water softener. Specially designed for both large domestic applications and industrial use, this system has a high treatment capacity. Its role is to immediately remove limescale from water to prevent fouling of the reverse osmosis membranes. It operates as two simplex softeners, alternating between tanks, ensuring 24/7 softened water, which is essential in production processes. Limescale retention is done using food-grade cationic resin, and regeneration is automatic using a salt solution. Tablet salt is consumed. Industrial reverse osmosis system. Delivers demineralized water using the principle of reverse osmosis. It reduces the concentration of mineral salts in the water. Only water free of free chlorine, hardness, iron, manganese, and bacteria must be used. Weekly water analysis is mandatory, and a parameter journal, provided with the system, must be maintained. If you choose not to install an automatic filter, the first element in the installation line must be a mechanical sediment filter at the raw water inlet. This removes large impurities, sand, mud, or other particles to protect the equipment and improve efficiency. To install the domestic polypropylene cartridge filter, remove the foil from the cartridge. Only cartridges rated at a maximum of 20 microns should be used. Insert the cartridge without touching it and screw the cap tightly. If you choose to install an automatic filter, a mechanical filter is no longer needed unless the raw water is very dirty. Installing the automatic filter. It is installed at the raw water inlet before any other equipment. Its outlet is connected to the softener. Setting the time on the automatic filter. Press and hold the set button. Use the arrows to set the hour, then press set. Set the minutes and press set again. To set the regeneration days, press and hold set and the up arrow at the same time. First, set the regeneration hour and press set again. Then, the system shows the number of days between regenerations, typically set at 2 days. Installing the duplex softener. You will receive a set of connectors. 2 connectors for inlet and outlet, each with 2 O-rings and 2 locking clips. First, insert the nut, then the clip in the groove near the nut. Fit the O-ring into the end groove. Connect them to the valve inlet and outlet. Same for connections between the two tanks. For systems under 50 liters, the two tanks are connected with interconnecting pipes similar to the inlet-outlet connectors. For systems over 50 liters, the connection between tanks is done with 4 connectors and a pipe between them. Looking at the valve from the front, the inlet and outlet are on the right side. Connect the softener inlet to the outlet of the mechanical or automatic filter. The softener outlet connects to the domestic polypropylene filter before the reverse osmosis system. Drain connection. Connect a hose to the valve drain and run it to the sewage system. Brine tank connection. Remove the red clip, disconnect the fitting, insert the brine hose securely. Pull gently to ensure it's locked in. Reattach the connector and the red safety clip. Softener display in operation. Press set clock to set the current time using the arrows, then press next. Set the minutes and press next again. When water is being used, the text softening appears in the top left corner. By pressing next once shows which tank is in use, A, the first tank, or B, the second tank. Press next again to see the volume of water left before regeneration. Domestic filter and reverse osmosis system. Next in line is the domestic cartridge filter with 5 micron prefiltration, minimum 1 micron can be used. The reverse osmosis system is the last in the treatment line. The electric float starts and stops the reverse osmosis system based on water level in the storage tank. Connect the sediment filter outlet here. The startup procedure. Open the red inlet valve. Measure water hardness from the blue faucet before powering the system. Fill the test vial with 5 milliliters of water. Add drops of reagent until the water turns green, counting the drops. The number of drops equals degrees of German hardness. Add 3 degrees extra to account for potential error. If the hardness is below 3 German degrees, start the system. If above, check the softener's functionality. Check inlet pressure on the Osmosis pressure gauge. Minimum required 2.5 bar. For systems with pumps running on 380 volts, check the pump direction as marked by the arrow. If incorrect, a qualified technician must reverse 2 phases at the system's power source. Open the concentrate and recirculation flow meters nearly to maximum before start. Turn on the system using the on-off button. Check that the valve and pump operation lights are active. Let the system run to purge air from the installation. This may need to be repeated, especially if water is cold. Adjust concentrate and recirculation valves. Concentrate flow must discharge at least 25% of the produced permeate and maximum 50%. Adjust the valves to reach system design flow. For a 2-membrane system, the permeate should be 500 liters per hour, concentrate between 125 and 250 liters per hour. Recirculation is less critical and depends on inlet pressure. Once flows stabilize, run the system for 1 hour, then recheck and adjust again. They may need to be adjusted again because all the air and the preservative substances from the membranes are being removed. If operating pressure exceeds 15 bar, stop the system immediately and check for problems. If concentrate pressure is higher than operating pressure, the membranes may be clogged. Never install a mechanical float or valve on the permeate outlet. Doing so voids the warranty. Check conductivity on the front panel. As long as the inlet conductivity is reduced by at least 95%, the system is considered functional. During the start process, it's recommended to measure and record the inlet conductivity for comparison.